there, I am just rolling a bunch of scrolls to put at the bottom of the gates, and just wanted to talk a little bit about scrolls. Here's a box of scrolls that I've used that are left over from various different projects, and the thing about scrolls is they come in all sorts of different sizes and shapes. So you've got them starting loose or tight, and also you can see the thickness of the material really affects what the scroll looks like. So when I get into deciding on what a project is going to need, I start looking at all the different jigs I've made and decide what will work for that project. So for the scrolls on the bottom of these gates, this was a little bit too thin, this is a bit too chunky, so this is how the scrolls are working up that I've made for them. And so first of all, I'm drawing a taper on a piece of 3/4 wide by 1/4 inch thick flat bar, and then I'll heat it up, curl over the end on my anvil, and then bring it over and use one of these different scroll forms. I just did the bunch that I showed you on the floor there with this one, and now I'm going to do some with this one, and that is so that I'll show you as they are sitting in the gates. They will have some variation from one scroll to another. So these are scrolls with longer tails, so to form the top row, and then the ones I'm doing now are the shorter ones that kind of nest down in between. So this is how that's going. And scroll jigs come in all sorts of different formations, so you can kind of make a scroll that you like, and then take the interior shape of that scroll and put it on something that you can either put in the square hole in the anvil, called a hardy hole, and roll it around there like so, or put a flat bar or a tail on it so that you can clamp it in a vise like this one. And it helps to have the scroll form raised up so that you can gradually catch it around the whole depth of the bar as you move it around.